Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Telegram download stuck. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. And first of all, you can just simply swipe down at the top of the screen and check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is stable. If the internet connection is stable, you can just simply now scroll down here, tap on data and storage. Now you can tap on storage usage, and after this you can now tap on clear entire cache. You can just simply tap on again clear entire cache, and after this the cache is cleared and the issue is solved. And the issue is not solved, you can just simply go to the app store or play store and update it the latest version of the Telegram app. And after this the issue is solved to download stacking. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.